Opening of the thrust reverser doors. Caution! Do not attempt to open the thrust reverser doors if the wind speed is more than 40 knots. First, deactivate the thrust reverser system. Push and hold the hydraulic control unit lever to the forward frame and install the safety pin to put the thrust reverser system out of operation. On the engine centerline, release the 4 latches. Push the snap to free the latch handle. Then pull down on the latch handle to disengage the latch hook from its attachment point. Before connecting the hydraulic hand pump, read the instructions written on the red plate located beside the quick disconnect of each thrust reverser half. Remove the dust cover from the quick disconnect and connect the hand pump. Make sure that the quick disconnect tube is correctly connected. Open the hand pump to pressurize the opening actuator until the reverser half reaches the fully open 45 degrees position. When the door is open, unstow the hold-open rod from the fan case, then attach and secure it to its bracket on the thrust reverser door. Unload the hydraulic pump and disconnect it from the hydraulic manifold. Put the cap on the quick disconnect. The hand pump is used to open the other thrust reverser door. Once all doors are open, the engine accessories mounted on the fan case and engine core are accessible.